The events follow-ups were actually created by our community because their real passion and interest was to get together again with the community. And so we created these events follow-ups for people to come dressed as their future selves, and then we would advance the understanding of the retreat that they had been part of that year and go a little further, to apply the formula a little bit further to see what's possible by doing it. And I want people to come that really want to be there. I want people to come that really have been practicing something, that they're after the mystical, they're after healing, whatever it is. And then we can go a little further down that rabbit hole and see what's possible. And so they're designed for advanced students that want to deepen their understanding, and a lot of times I try out a lot of new things just to see if it's possible.